Suppose we have these applicants and these are their ratings for these different communication, technical and teamwork skills. And a radar chart will best compare these multiple variables across these categories. And this one is so important for HR services because it can be used to evaluate applicants and find the best fit. That is why I used my title there, who is the best fit for the role. So to obtain this chart, select the data table, insert tab recommended, and we know that we want a radar chart. Okay, so that's exactly how I obtained this chart. Now, how do you read this one? As you can see from the legend there, blue represents communication, technical skills by this color, which I don't know, and teamwork by this green, light green. And as you can see that while Eve does well at technical skills, she is bad at teamwork, and she's even worse with communication. And what about Alice? She's good at technical skills as well, does bad at teamwork, and even worse with communication. What about Bob? Bob does bad at most of the things, and Charlie the same. But David embodies all the skills that we want, does well with communication, teamwork, and technical skills. So in this case, David is the best fit for the role. So that's basically it for radar chart.